Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. Today I am going to talk about 3 different brands of Micron pens. In my recent short video, I showed you the Micron pen set I purchased of brand Brustro Pigment liner. Micron pens are popular drawing tools known for their precision and consistent ink flow. They come in various sizes, suitable for detailed work or border strokes. The archival ink ensures longevity and they are versatile for different artistic applications. However, they may have limited ink capacity, aren't refillable, and can be delicate. Overall, Micron pens are favored for their quality in creating detailed and lasting artwork. Now let's check the difference of these 3 pens. First, we will start with dryness. Let's see how fast the ink dries. We will draw lines and rub them quickly. The pigment liner pen dries first. Now let's do the same for the Brustro Micron pen and Sakura Micron pen. In this case, they all dry quickly, so you won't accidentally smudge or mess up your artwork. A pigment liner has 8 sizes including a brush pen, while Brustro and Sakura Micron pens offer 6 sizes. Having more sizes give you choices for different drawing styles and what you like. Pigment liner pens claim to be waterproof, but in reality they aren't. On the other hand, Brustro and Sakura Micron pen are truly waterproof. Check out how these pens perform on different papers. This paper is a bit rough and this a smooth surface. Look at how the pens handle water. Whether it's rough or smooth paper, pigment liner pens don't resist water. Since this paper is thin and smooth, the ink pen couldn't handle water, but on this rough paper it managed to hold the water, although it smudged a little. The same thing happened with this paper, it also smudged a bit. So the type of paper affects how well the ink will behave. As I recently bought this pigment liner pen, so I can't be sure if it resists fading, whereas these pens stay bright for a long time and your drawings won't lose their color. However, I tested by erasing all the pen markings and none of them faded, so when it comes to not losing color, these pens are all good. These pens give a nice smooth line when you are drawing on a smooth surface, making it easy to control your art. However, on a slightly rough surface, the pigment liner still works well, giving an even line. But with Brustro and Sakura pens, sometimes the lines can be a bit broken or not as smooth. Here I am using Sakura pens and Brustro pens for making strokes, and you can see how it looks. Next, let's talk about how the ink flows in these pens. The pigment liner pen has more ink flow, and when you connect lines, the ink can gather and make it look messy. In other words, it bleeds a lot. On the other hand, Brustro and Sakura pens have good ink flow, making your drawings look neat and clean. Whereas on rough paper, the pigment pen may spread a bit, but Brustro and Sakura pens don't spread or bleed. Most Micron pens usually can't be refilled, but I believe Sakura pens might be an exception. I haven't personally tried it, but I have seen many artists refill them with black ink. So these are the distinctions between various types of pens. Now let me show you a drawing I created using different pens of different sizes. This one is done with a pigment liner pen, and you can see how deep and dark the ink color is. These ones are from Brustro and Sakura pens, and both have similar color contrast, not too dark. I forgot to say that holding the Sakura pen feels different compared to the pigment liner and Brustro pen. Beginners might find it easier to hold and draw with the Brustro and pigment liner because they have a more comfortable grip. Initially, the Sakura pen may feel a bit awkward to hold, but with regular use, you will get used to it and find it comfortable. In conclusion, understanding the differences in these Micron pens empowers you to choose the perfect tool for your artistic expression. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I am showing my drawings from 4 years ago made with Sakura and Brustro Micron pens. Check it out, they still look nice, haven't faded, and even when I used watercolor and acrylic paint on them, they didn't smudge. To sum it up, Sakura for precision and archival ink, pigment liner for a comfortable grip, and Brustro for a user-friendly experience. Your choice depends on your artistic preferences and comfortable level. So for today's video, I have covered everything. If I have left something, then you can let me know in the comment section. So until next time, happy creating.